WhatsApp music status option missing on iPhone, and here is how to fix it. If you are unable to find the music option for WhatsApp status on your iPhone, then simply follow these steps to resolve this issue. So let's get started. First of all, go to your home screen on your device. Then all you have to do is tap on the App Store for iOS and Google Play Store for Android. Now all you have to do is in the search address bar type down WhatsApp. Now tap on WhatsApp. Now if you see update available, if there is an update button available, simply tap on the update and update it to the latest version. After updating, check if the music option appears when creating a status. If this does not work or issue persists, then try reinstalling WhatsApp. Press and hold the WhatsApp icon, and all you have to do is tap on the remove app option available there and confirm the deletion. After deleting, reinstall the WhatsApp and you can also restore your data. Then check if you can find the WhatsApp status music option or not. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.